Welcome to Cricket with Vidya Paradkar sir. Today we will learn on how to play on back foot. मोस्टली सारे बैट्समैन का फोकस रहता है कि वो फ्रंट फुट शॉट्स डेवलप करें. नेट्स में भी सारे बैट्समैन फ्रंट फुट शॉट्स का ही प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. बट अ बैट्समैन बिकम्स अ गुड बैट्समैन only when he is able to play on both front foot as well as back foot. To become a complete batsman, a batsman should have proper back foot shots. If you see international players like Ajinkya Rahane, Hasib Hamid, they have very good back foot shots. So let's learn to play on back foot today. So first, let's learn how to do a back foot defense. फॉर एनी बैकफुट शॉट पहले आपको बैट टैप करना है. बैकफुट शॉट ही नहीं, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इन क्रिकेट वेन एवर यू प्ले एनी शॉट यू हैव टू टैप द बैट. इन बैकफुट शॉट यू हैव टू टैप द बैट एंड यू हैव टू कीप द बैट स्लाइटली नियर द स्मॉल टो. आपको पुश बैक करना है ताकि आप प्रॉपर पोजिशन में आ सके. व्हेन द बॉलर रन्स, your entire concentration should be on the bowler's arm, on what he is bowling, where is the shiny side. You have to see the rotation of the seam, and in case if a spinner is bowling, you have to see his wrist position. When you play on back foot, always remember that you have to tap the bat with your left hand, and you have to play keeping your bottom hand loose. In every shot you have to rise with the ball, and remember that you have to throw your arms while driving. While playing back foot defense, you have to go back and across. Front foot toe should be towards the ball and back foot parallel to the crease. Front foot toe must be on side on position and back foot toe should be parallel to the crease. Back foot should come in instep so that you can play properly and the ball doesn't bounce back onto the stumps. Now we will learn to play back foot cover drive. For playing back foot cover drive, you have to go back and across. You have to keep your left foot at inside step and right foot on the across side so that you can play towards the cover. To play towards the cover, you have to shape your left shoulder to play the ball at cover with the full face of the blade. You have to rise with the ball and allow the ball to come towards you. You have to play the shot close to your body and under your head. With the full face of the blade, you have to play the drive. Remember that you have to watch the ball till the last moment. While playing the shot, you have to throw your arms to drive the ball. While playing the shot, you have to transfer your weight on the ball of the feet so that you can transfer your power. Remember that the heel to toe movement should be proper. Now we will learn on how to play back foot straight drive. बैक फुट स्ट्रेट ड्राइव खेलने के लिए आपको अच्छा पुश बैक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You have to turn your right foot slightly so that you can come in the line of the ball. You have to rise with the ball and allow the ball to come close to the body. You have to play the drive under your head with the full face of the blade. Remember that you have to watch the ball till the end moment. While playing the shot, you have to throw your arms to drive the ball. While playing the shot, you have to transfer your weight on the ball of the feet so that you can transfer your power. Always remember that the heel to toe movement should be perfect.
Come on, one more.
Now we will learn how to play back foot on drive. बैक फुट ऑन ड्राइव खेलने के लिए आपको अच्छा पुश बैक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You have to turn your right foot slightly so that you can come in the line of the ball. Always remember, the main difference between back foot straight drive and back foot on drive is that जब आप बैक फुट ऑन ड्राइव खेलते हैं तब आपका लेफ्ट पैर का जो टो है इट शुड बी इन द मिड ऑन पोजिशन. मिड ऑन पोजिशन से मतलब है कि आपका जो टो है वो मिड ऑन फील्डर की तरफ होना चाहिए. इससे क्या होता है कि आपके शोल्डर और चेस्ट ओपन हो जाते हैं सो दैट यू कम इन द पोजिशन टू प्ले द ऑन ड्राइव ऑन योर बैक फुट. ड्राइव खेलते समय यू हैव टू सी कि आपका जो हाथ है वो रिब्स के वहाँ से जाए. वन थिंग यू हैव टू ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट यू हैव टू वेट फॉर द बॉल एंड प्ले अंडर योर हेड. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट you have to rise with the ball. You have to play the drive under your head with the full face of the blade. Remember that you have to always watch the ball till the last moment. While playing the shot, you have to throw your arms to drive the ball. While playing the shot, you have to transfer your weight on the ball of the feet so that you can transfer your power. And the most important thing is your heel to toe movement. Now, always remember this important thing. Whether you are playing back foot defense or back foot straight drive or back foot on drive or whether you are playing a back foot cover drive, sometimes you tend to take both your feet in the line of the ball. If you do this mistake of taking both your feet in the line of the ball, you will play the ball outside your body. And when you play the ball outside your body, there are chances that you may edge the ball. When you edge the ball, there are high chances that you may get out in the slips. So, always remember that your left foot should be in step and the body should be in a side on position. And always remember that you have to play the ball under your head and close to your body. Okay friends, always remember one thing. In cricket, whenever you play any shot, you have to watch the ball till the end moment. And also, as we have discussed in the earlier videos, you have to take a proper guard. I am repeating this. You always have to take a proper guard. क्या आपको पता है इसका रीज़न क्या है? Whenever you take a proper guard, you know where is your off stump. जब आपको पता रहता है कि आपका ऑफ स्टम्प किधर है, तो जब बैटिंग करते समय आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो आपको कौन सा बॉल खेलना है और कौन सा बॉल लीव करना है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो वीडियो एंड करते हुए मैं आपको एक और ज़रूरी बात कहते हुए विदा लूँगा कि इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट अ बैट्समैन knows all back foot shots. If you know back foot shots, you can score more runs. This is because the mentality of the bowler and the bowler captain is like that कि वो हमेशा फ्रंट फुट शॉट्स के हिसाब से ही फील्डिंग सेट करते हैं. तो अगर आप उसमें बैक फुट शॉट्स खेल सके तो आप इजीली गैप फाइंड आउट करके ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्कोर कर सकते हैं.